Hi, I'm Justin Femmer, a partner in PwC's tax reporting and strategy practice. We view trusted tax data as one of the key operational priorities for almost every tax function over the next 2 to 5 years. If you look at tax functions today, we still have 40 to 60% of our time spent on manipulating, accessing, and processing data for use. We also have, with regulations coming down the pipe, with Pillar 2, challenging the integrity of our legal and jurisdictional information, and things on the indirect side around e-invoicing and real-time filings, real pressure building to have this data more trusted and readily available by the time we file. And third, we see massive opportunities in the market within your companies for tax to play a much more strategic role in the business than it has in the past. If you look at business model reinvention that a lot of companies are undergoing, if you look at all the climate initiatives that companies are undertaking and now layer in all the difference in credits and incentives around there for tax can be a material driver into project decisions in that overall strategy. We also see, pent up M&A and other business expansion that is likely to come, in the pursuant years. So trusted data becomes paramount with a massive return on investment. I'm excited to ask a few of our panelists here each about what is one key tenet of actually achieving trusted tax data. I want to start with Allison LeClaire. Allison, what's one key tenet that you would highlight?
Yes, one tenet would be to have a strategy. It's not going to happen organically, and what you really want to think about is the scope and the ownership framework of that data.
That's really good. And now, Sandra, why don't you give us an anecdote that you think is critically important?
So when thinking about scope, go after the whole globe and all processes. There's a lot of benefits and synergies that would come from looking at the whole process as a whole. And also, don't go it alone. There's a lot of accelerators and pre-built tools out there to help you get started.
All right, a 2 for 1. I like that, Sandra. And now, Daryl, maybe you can give us an anecdote from your perspective.
Biggest thing would be not to wait. If you don't have a catalyst today, there will be one tomorrow. And there's a component here of speed to value that you should be recognizing all throughout the way, whether it's bringing processes together or giving enhanced value to the company while going through your trusted data strategy.
Thanks, Daryl. And Shannon?
Sure. So I would say start working on your trusted data now. Don't wait until Pillar 2 is due, and you may lose access to your budget, and quite frankly, you're going to be behind.
Those are great points. Those are some of the key tenets of getting your trusted data strategy. We look forward to having further discussions with you on this journey.